Welcome back, everybody, to another edition of Dawn's Delicious Desserts. Dawn, what are we making today?
We're going to make a peanut butter cake.
Peanut butter cake. Let's get started.
Okay, so first I use any type of cake mix. I try to get like a moist cake mix. You can use yellow or white. You don't follow the recipe on the box. So you just dump the whole cake mix in.
Gang, this is absolutely my favorite dessert ever. You definitely have to try this.
And then it's going to be 1 cup of peanut butter. And we're gonna add that in the bowl.
Just a little disclosure, if you are allergic to peanut butter, this is not the dessert for you.
Then a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. I use light brown sugar. And then we are going to just mix this until it's crumbly. Okay, so as I was mixing, it's not very crumbly, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more peanut butter. I didn't measure, just a little scoop. And see how this does. So that's a little bit better. We need a 1/2 cup of the crumbles. So I'm just gonna throw the this is a cup, so I'm just gonna fill it half. And then we wanna set this aside. This is gonna go on top of the cake before we bake it.
Gotcha.
Okay, so then we are going to add in 1 cup water.
Don't spill it. Oh.
And then 3 eggs. I used the large eggs. And then 1/4 cup vegetable oil. I normally use extra virgin olive oil. And then we're gonna blend this just until it's nice and blended. So next, once it's all blended, we're gonna blend on high for 2 minutes.
2 minutes, go.
Alexa, set timer for 2 minutes.
2 minutes, starting now.
Okay, so this is the way it looks after 2 minutes. It looks really whippy.
Whippy. Another technical term.
So then, what we're gonna do is stir in a 1/2 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I use Nestle Full House. And then a 1/2 cup of the Reese peanut butter chips. So then this is 1/2 and 1/2. And then you really just want to mix it. I just mix it with the spatula. Okay, now we're going to pour it in our pan. So I just spray my pan first. And then we're gonna throw this in here. Okay, so we're gonna preheat the oven to 350 and we bake that for 40 to 45 minutes. I always do the higher amount because of my oven, so I'll bake it for 45 minutes. So before you put it in the oven, we are going to sprinkle our crumbles on the top. And then we're also going to sprinkle another half cup of peanut butter chips. We're going to place them on top, and then a half cup of the chocolate chips. I try not to put too many in the middle because when the cake comes out, it normally looks like it smushes down in the middle, so I try to keep it around the edges. Okay, now we're gonna put this in the oven and bake it for 45 minutes.
See you in 45.
So this is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven.
Well, that looks yummy.
And this is what it looks like after the kids dig into it.
Look at that. Oh, look at that. And I get the fourth piece. Where's the fork? Oh, very moist. Uh-oh, I get a bite. Oh, dang. Just can't wait for you to try this. Well, thank you very much for watching. As always, stay safe and be healthy.